aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel UPSC Notes. So in today's video we are going to get a quick revision of the Harappan civilization in my shortest form of notes. So let's get started. So first metal that was discovered during the Harappan civilization was copper. So basically copper reacts with tin or zinc to form bronze, and bronze is relatively harder than copper, so that's why it is more reliable and durable. So next let's discuss about some of the civilizations. Like first is Harappan civilization that developed at the northern and western parts of India and Pakistan. Then there is Mesopotamian civilization that developed on the bank of river Euphrates and Tigris in Iraq. Then Chinese civilization that was developed at the bank of Huanghe River, China, and Yangtze River, China. Then there is Egyptian civilization that developed on the Nile River in Egypt. Now let's discuss about the Harappan civilization. Harappa that was discovered in 1921, and the most famous city of Harappa was Dholavira. It was a Harappan city and that was located at Gujarat, run of Kutch. Then Dholavira is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From 3000 BC to 1500 BC, it was locally known as Kodda Timba, and it was discovered in 1960 and excavated by archaeologist Ravindra Singh Bisht in 1990. This site was discovered in 1960 by Jagat Pati Joshi. Then major buildings of Harappan civilization were Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. Construction कैसे हुआ था ग्रेट बाथ का? It was constructed by using burnt bricks, mortar with bitumen and gypsum. Then what was citadel? Citadel was the raised area of city, houses of ruling class. Basically, who lived in the citadel area? The people that belongs to ruling class or high class. Then seals, there were 2000 seals discovered, and they were made of materials like steatite, terracotta and agate. Then there is one-horned bull seal, seals of buffalo, seals of tiger, goat, elephant and rhinoceros. Then there is also one seal of Pashupati Mahadev, which made us believe that the people of Harappan civilization believed in Lord Shiva. Then other some important figures of the Harappan civilization was bearded man, discovered at Mohenjo-daro. And bearded man का structure कैसा था? He wore shawl over the left shoulder and his eyes were half closed. He was in a meditation state. Then dancing girl. Dancing girl, it was a bronze statue, and this question also came in UPSC Prelims 2025 GS paper 1. Dancing girl was of bronze. It was mainly founded at Mohenjo-daro. Its right arm was rest on his hip, and left arm was heavily bangled. Then the dockyard. Dockyard was discovered at Lothal in Gujarat. Then it was made up of baked bricks connected by channels to Gulf of Cambay. Then script. There were number of signs like 375 and 400 नंबर थे उनके. Then 1875 में एक seal discover हुआ था Humpless Bull का, and 6 signs discovered हुए थे. So these were some of the sites of Indus Valley civilization. Like you can see, and here is a short diagram that Indus River belongs to India, and Harappa was situated at Ravi River, and Mohenjo-daro site was situated at Indus River. Then there was some international trade like rice, cotton, bangle making, beads. Cotton was mainly founded at Lothal and Surkatoda, and bangle making was founded at Balakot and Chanu-daro, and beads were founded at Lothal and Chanu-daro. There was also some of the import of some metals like gold. Gold was imported from North Karnataka and Afghanistan. Copper was imported from Rajasthan, South India, Balochistan and Arabia. Then lead was imported from East or South India. Transport was also discovered at Harappan civilization. Terracotta model of ship that was discovered at Lothal, and terracotta model of bullock carts. Bullock carts was mainly composed of copper or bronze carts that were found at Harappa and Chanudaro. Then they resemble modern sculptures also founded in Harappan civilization. So there was one of the sculptures of Mother Goddess that was made up of terracotta, and the bronze statues they were made by using glossed wax process. So this is also important thing that which of the process is used to make bronze statues. This process was known as lost wax process. I hope you can see it here, lost wax process. So at the end there was decline of Harappan civilization, basically in 1800 of BC. So due to some floods and earthquakes, deforestation and attacks by the Aryans who destroyed the Indus settlements. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much.